What is up, everybody? Today we will be working on the 1965 Ford Mustang. This is the first video on this car. Now I wanted my first video for it to introduce it to the channel, tell you what it means to me, but we'll save that for a later date because today we have to put some parts on it. So this car has the 200ci. It's been fully rebuilt just a couple months ago, and when we were putting some miles on it, we noticed it had a serious overheating issue. So today we'll be putting this brand new radiator, and it's a 3-core brass radiator. I didn't want to go for an aluminum one because I wanted to keep it OEM feel as much as possible. We may upgrade to a 6-blade fan as well if this can't keep her cool. And then while I was waiting on some parts to come in for it, I also did send off the valve cover gasket, the header, and the air filter cover all to get powder coated. So we're gonna put that on as well today. And if you guys don't know, I am still on crutches, so I have recruited my wife to help me. This is the first time we've ever put on car parts together, so let's just see how this goes.
Where are the things at?
Right on the bottom.
Crooked. Good job.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You won't even be able to tell.
Auto light is up higher. Great job.
What do you think?
Looks great.
Right in front of my eye. Oh gosh. It's not gonna work. Alright, while I was pulling these transmission fluid stubs from the existing radiator, I noticed the two inlet and outlet hoses sit diagonal from each other, and on the new one they sit on the same side. And just like that, a couple $100 later, and we have a brand new radiator for it. So you can see hoses are on the correct side, and then the width of this thing, because it is a 3-core, is a lot thicker than the old one. So I think it's going to do exactly what I want it to. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these transmission lines on it, and then I also picked up new radiator hoses that we'll throw in the car beforehand, and then again I'll recruit my wife to help us lug this into the car. Okay, it has been a hot minute since we started this, but let's see how it goes. Come on, baby. Okay, because I did not do a lot of talking during this video, let's go over what we got. We have OEM factory color powder coated air intake, valve cover gasket, and then some miscellaneous items that all bolt to the valve cover gasket. We did do factory stickers. That was from CJ Pony Parts. That looks really nice. And then we did a ceramic powder coated header, so that's down there. This is a brand new header, but they are cast iron, so they rust really fast. So when you do ceramic, it helps with heat dispersion, so this engine bay shouldn't get as hot as it was before, and then the powder coating should help prevent it from rusting. And then of course, the purpose of this video was a brand new radiator. So this is that 3-core radiator, new radiator cap, and then all new radiator hoses, which are branded with that Ford Motor Company. So in my opinion, that looks really, really nice. All right, and finally, after 3 different days of working on this car, we finally got it running. She purrs like a kitten. In a later video, I'll introduce the car formally, tell you how I got it and the story behind it, and then we'll take her out for a ride. So thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.